Hello everyone, this is Priyasha from CrackZat and I'm very serious in this video because I have to talk something seriously to all my subscribers, my viewers जो लोग इतने दिन से मेरे साथ जुड़े हैं and even if you're watching this for the first time looking in search of some good material or something to get started with so that now I want to seriously prepare for that. 3 weeks are left and now that the CAT response sheets are out and I know where I stand, I want to crack the ZAT examination but I don't know where to begin from. So this video is for you people, but let me tell you seriously, थोड़ा सा scolding mode में मैं जा सकती हूँ, so bear me for it because if you call me a दीदी, you call me a mentor of yours, I have the full authority to do so because जब भी कोई भी mentee अपने प्रिपरेशन से डीरेल होता है या फिर मुझे ऐसा दिखता है कि वो बस इसी तरह से एक बहुत वियर्ड सी क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि वेयर शुड आई गेट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम, देन आई हैव टू गेट सीरियस एंड टेल यू that guys, until and unless you do these 2 3 things which I'm going to talk about in this video, that's not gonna happen. Okay, so the very first thing is stop ranting about your CAT response sheets. The response sheets are given to you not to cry over it every night and day, but it is given to you so that you understand कि किस जगह पर आपकी मुश्किलें बढ़ी हैं, where are the topics or which are the topics where you are not able to score good versus the topics which you are able to tackle even in a hard exam like CAT. तो ये रिस्पॉन्स शीट को बस वहाँ तक एनालाइज करने के बाद आपको उसको छोड़ देना है, राइट? सो गेट ओवर कैट नाउ, दैट्स नंबर वन. नंबर टू विच यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल ऑफ इज इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ वेदर इट्स ज़ैट और एनी अदर एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन, दो सक्सेस के मेजर रीजंस होते हैं. वो नंबर वन होता है कंसिस्टेंसी, दैट व्हाट आई वांट फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू टू बी वेरी कंसिस्टेंट अबाउट इज योर प्रेपरेशन स्केड्यूल. तो जिन्होंने भी अभी तक 30 डेज का ये प्लानर वीडियो नहीं देखा है जिसमें मैंने डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया है how are you supposed to divide your day into 3 parts and get started with the material, please go and watch this video. Go to the description box or the comment section and see the important links which I have shared with everyone, where you would get to know at least where to get started from, and even without thinking twice, go and get started with it. But अगर आपको फिर भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे पास सब कुछ एक जगह नहीं है, आई एम फीलिंग अ बिट confused कि मुझे कहाँ से कितना कैसे पढ़ना है, then probably the first thing which you need to get started with is a right resource. And yes, this video is in collaboration with Disha Publication, but I want to talk about this book of Disha Publication. Last year भी मैंने इसके बारे में बोला था because I really think it is worth it. In this book you will be getting 21 years of last previous year paper जिसके आपके सारे solutions जो हैं वो verified solutions है, तो probably you will find all the correct answers in one place. But along with this thing, this book also offers you 5 mock tests which you can take as a sectional, as a topic test at whatever pace you want to take because it's a book after all, and आप इसको बार बार practice भी कर सकते हैं. And along with that, this book also offers you GK and essay के पुराने topics. तो ऐसे भले ही टेस्ट में नहीं आ रहा अभी लेकिन वो आपके PI के लिए important है, तो definitely this book can be a good source for you in that preparation as well. So the link has been added in the description box, guys. Definitely go and purchase this book because this book will at least give you one good source to get started with. And जिन्हें भी confusion आ रही है कि different websites में different answers लिखे हुए हैं PYQ के, तो probably this book can be one solution in that case. Alright, so yes, जैसे कि मैंने पहले दो चीज़ें आपको बताई ही थी कि आपको पहले तो CAT से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा and secondly अपने पूरे preparation में consistent रहना पड़ेगा. Along with it, the third major reason why anyone succeeds is none other than very important, self preparation. Yes guys, you heard me right. No matter of courses or live classes can help you if you cannot go back and then practice it from your own. तो practice resource तो मैंने आपको बता दिया है. Along with that, if you haven't visited my mega drive link yet on my telegram group, then please go and get all the free resources in one place which will be ample enough for you to practice from. तो जो भी आप अपने recorded sessions या फिर classes या लाइव सेशन से पढ़ रहे हो उसके बाद घर में ज़रूर जाके उसे प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट लर्न मच थिंग्स out of it. Okay, your entire journey should be backed up by 60 to 70% of self preparation and 30 to 40% of course the new learnings which you get from classes and sessions. So with this, I'll wind up this video letting you people know that 3 weeks is not a less time for the preparation of ZAT examination, but at the same time it is the right time to get started, because beyond it, if you will come to me that I'm starting from scratch and I want to crack this examination or get even decent marks, probably that won't be possible. So therefore, please get started seriously, and as a didi, as a mentor, I am requesting and फोर्सिंग यू पीपल टू डू दिस कि कुछ भी हो जाए अपने प्रेपरेशन में आपको 100% कंसिस्टेंट रहना है, राइट रिसोर्सेज से पढ़ाई करनी है, एंड येस डेफिनेटली गिव मोर टाइम टू योर सेल्फ प्रेपरेशन सो दैट you can get the best out of it. All the very best, guys. Things can happen well only when you are on track, okay? So at any point of time, if you feel that you're getting derailed and you want assistance, please reach out to me either via a comment or a free query on TopMate, or just book up a call so that we can talk about it and get you on track immediately. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe my channel, because that's how you'll get all the important information about this exam and beyond also, because I take sessions for OMETs as well. And if you have already subscribed, then don't forget to like this channel, this video probably, and share it with more and more people so that we reach more audience. And congratulations to 25K strong family. Thank you so much, guys.